So, the last video I ended up cutting off. I'm gonna do the Bible study. I swear I'm gonna get to it. So, I cut off and saw something about lotion on the skin, and it's crazy because my skin was falling off, man. Like, it was so bad, and you had to put in kites. It took almost like 2-3 months for them to even give me lotion. Proper lotion didn't have scent in it that would burn. It sucked. Just on that, don't get locked up. Ever. It's the worst. I'm gonna smoke and hang out if you guys don't mind for a minute. Just listen to the song and then I'll do the Bible study, alright? Still kind of waking up. I haven't even had coffee yet, so you gotta bear with me, please. The reason why I cut off though is I forgot I had a video from last night I didn't delete, so that's why I cut off in 15 minutes. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Ryan's Pick Apart. Going into the hood today. Earn some money today. Gotta bring a backpack and some tools. I gotta ride, I think like 10 miles. We'll look. Well, 10 miles there, 10 miles back. Mission done, pull straps hard, grip my where we get to the gun. You was so vicious and young, I swear I get goosebumps when I listen to songs. Cause I know they true, dirty ass keys and fake IDs. I'm sucking up people, switch things like teens, still hoping that this rap shit blow. I'm so far gone, I'm on another planet. Saying my drawers, let anybody have. If you break my man, fuck back for I pinch your ass. I'm so far gone, I'm on another planet. Saying my drawers, let anybody have. If you break my man, fuck back for I pinch your ass. Yeah, little nigga, you like my watch, right? Thanks. It came with the car. Why you tell little bum niggas stay in the bar? I'm on the west coast with cuz toasting up. Another touchdown. I'm watching the sports. Wanna like the world ain't got no laws. I want it, I got it. These streets is mine. You want it, come copy. We beef, you die. Cool water and copy cause the beat too hot. Blood gang, crip gang, whatever street I'm fine. And I don't throw no sex, but you don't see niggas with me if you don't blow no text. I'm in the XL with laces, ain't just rap. Too much to count, homie, wait the stacks. 2 point whips, paper tags. 36 hours, I'll race your back. So far gone, I'm on another planet. I'm saying my drawers, let anybody have. If you break my man, fuck back for I pinch your ass. So far gone, I'm on another planet. I'm saying my drawers, let anybody have. If you break my man, fuck back for I pinch your ass. Yeah. Just living in a dream every day. It's the same old thing. I'm like a captain on a ship with no certain goal.
Whether you're trying
one of my favorite songs for sure. Gotta listen to one more. I got to. We got a half an hour to chill together, so. And I can always make another video, right? So yeah, we got all day to make videos. I have no life. If you can't tell, I'm doing videos now. So I quit a career. A $100,000 job to make $80,000 because I was dying, and then I quit that job to do this because I was dying
starting from scratch
here in my heart.
Collaborating with AI is a click away.
You gotta follow your dreams, man. You gotta follow your heart.
Or type in your own prompt.
God tells me to go. He's telling me to go sail the ocean. He's got me. He's told me to go get my wife. Go get my fiance. Go get her. She needs me. I need her. The world needs us.
The world needs a better YouTube. I've been watching all these YouTubes. They're kind of shit. Not all of them. I'm gonna be sharing my opinions. Whether people like them or not, I don't give a fuck. But I'm gonna go change the song. I'll be right back.
And tap the button to do the rest. Reply to emails fast and with high quality. Grammarly Go will use context from your email exchanges to draft a reply that is uniquely relevant to you. Wait.
Get the smoke. The music I grew up with. Detroit music. Yeah, and that's your music. I don't give a fuck what YouTube thinks. Copyright my shit. Fuck it. I'll make another YouTube. Stay away from smoke. I gotta go make some coffee. I don't have milk. I was sure got it last night, but I'll be fine. I'm gonna drink straight coffee. I'll be a savage today, trooper. Yep, I'm ready. Let's go. Looks like it's out. You can't refill it. It's garbage. I'm a minister, police can't stop me for shit. All these murders and court cases that made me insane. Do anything for cash money like Baby and Wayne. And the hood where the drama at. Look at the llama back. Man, nigga, I can tell you where Osama at. Niggas can't get a deal. Become green. Can't wait to smoke. Works. Kind of burned it, but whatever. That's all I got. Probably could have done that better, but whatever. I'm smoking. Better than most people. Listen, I'm telling you. Go get yourself some marijuana if you have never smoked pot. If you have back pain, body pain, headaches, anything. Listen, if you're taking depression medication from a doctor, alright, and you think you're depressed, and you're in a state that this is illegal, listen, and you never smoked pot, and you come across this video, ditch those pills. Those pills are doing nothing for you. I'll be making videos about it as well. I've been talking to many psychologists and psychiatrists. They're all a crock of shit. And I'm not lying either. This will solve your problems. You see this? It'll solve your problems. If it's illegal, it'll create your problems. If you're smart about it, you won't have any problems.
Grow it. It'll be legal in your state soon, guaranteed. I'm gonna make sure of that. That's a promise. I put that on God. It's gonna be talked about in these music festivals. Everybody is gonna be talking about it. We're gonna be talking about Jesus, marijuana, laws, all the fucked up shit the government does. But we're gonna do it in a well-behaved manner. Which I didn't even say that right. So this is why I'm doing this, because I know how I can do this. I know how I can make this work, and I know how to use the internet and the program that I'm designing, that I've been working on. It will make people aware of what's really going on, and it will allow us to be able to do something about it. I really believe that, and I've been asking God for that. So He's delivered, I believe. I really do. Otherwise, I wouldn't be telling you guys this. I'd make an ass of myself, if you know. So I'm about to look this back up though. It tells you it's pretty good. Which what's funny is I didn't buy my Nirvana. Usually I buy my Nirvana, but I wanted to buy a little bit of food, and I only had $40, and it was $23 for the Nirvana, and they were out of the mag carts, which were only $10. I only wanted to spend $30 really, so I ended up just asking one of the dudes that works there, like I love when he works there. This guy knows everything. He knows like all the best prices. He knows like the best weed. He knows. He wants to help people. He's there to help. You know what I'm saying? So when he's there, I try to get him in. He was there. And I was like, bro, I really want the Nirvana, but if I get the Nirvana, I can't get a cartridge because you guys are out of the mags. Got the hiccups, orange juice. Told you I have stomach problems, man. The yoga, everything helps. This helps too a lot. That's why I smoke a lot too. But yeah, he's like, yeah, I got this. It's house bud, which it's flower bowl weed. So it's their brand. It works. It gets you high. It actually has CBD in it, which I was surprised. It's very rare to find a strain that has CBD. Let me rephrase that. It's not rare. It's not rare to find it. It's hard. You have to do your work. Like when you go into these dispensaries, it's going to take you an extra minute to find actual product that has CBD in it, because the CBD is not what gets you high. The THC is what gets you high. That's what everybody's coming for. So that's what everybody is harvesting for. They're growing their product for is for high levels of THC. So this wasn't as high as THC, so it was only $15 in it. But it had CBD, so I was like, you know what, I'll take it. And it's called Rosetta Stone. I'm happy with it. I was gonna show you guys it. I've been so busy and stuff, and we got none but time. We got many weed. Listen, I'm gonna be traveling the world. There's gonna be many, many different things I'm gonna be planning on doing. Which I will be looking for landrace weed. If you guys don't know what landrace is, I suggest go look up strain hunters. I've been studying plants, animals and weather, because I'm gonna be living off the land and chasing storms on the sailboat, working out of the Gulf for the most part. The lower part of Florida, Atlantic, Gulf, and then towards the Pacific. I really, really want to make my way towards Peru, because there's 5 zones. There's 5 ocean zonings. They call them zones. They're really important to our ecosystem. They're the 5 major biggest fisheries in our oceans where the fish live, and this is also where the biggest fisheries are, for food. And the fish have been dwindling faster than normal, which I'll be making topics about it, about these countries that are around the world, and they're, what's going on, man, what's going on globally. I got a real good picture of what's going on a global scale, commerce-wise, e-commerce-wise, also pollution-wise. I've been sharing it on my Facebook. That's how my Facebook blew up, the original one. And my second one is going viral too, in a sense, I mean, you can go over, look at it, you can see it. You can see how bad my shoulder is. That shoulder, the whole shoulder's separated, like, it's not connected in the socket. It's in there, but, like, the muscle is separated, it's torn. One of the, they call it a class 3 shoulder separation. It's a very common, football, injury. But, yeah, so, I'm gonna be sharing all this stuff. I'm about to turn off the music and, go over the Bible in a minute. So it's already been 15 minutes, so I got about another 15 minutes before this video cuts off. I'm sure you guys are tired of listening to me too. That song, I don't even know what that song was. I don't think I've ever heard that song. If I did, I don't remember it. Yeah, so I just, yeah, I've heard that song. I know who Jay Nutty is. I've been in jail with Jay Nutty. It's funny. So, yeah, let's do some Bible study. You know what's crazy is I bought this laptop for only $50. I really wanted it because when I looked it up or whatever, it had 12 hours of battery life, man. Well, that's with Windows, they benchmarked that with Windows, for that. Listen, bro, I have MX Linux on here, man, right? I got this thing, listen, this thing's been on for 22